Hey guys, Mike Internet Pro. So thankful that you came here and joined me here on this video. Let me check my mic levels. Testing 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you can hear me loud and clear. Got a brand new mic. Let's do this like Brutus. Now I know you guys came here to check out how to make money online. You typed something like that in the YouTube search box and you came up on my video. And right now I'm just going to show you some results. This is in my CPA account. It's easy, $3,217 for the month. You can make that type of money online. You just have to simply follow instructions. You gotta be willing to follow instructions and willing to do a little bit of work. But if you're willing to do that, you can definitely make money online. You will find a link in the description area below this video. I highly suggest you click on that link because that is going to give you the information that allows me to do this every day. Now, also, too, most likely you came here because you want to know how to make money with Clickbank. But I'm gonna be honest, guys, you can make money with anything. Like it doesn't matter what it is: Clickbank, CPA, PayPal, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. You make money with anything. You just gotta be willing to put in a little bit of work. But let's go over to Clickbank and see if I have anything in there. Know that they can buy from Clickbank and actually refund it without any problem. So it's pretty much like you just buy it and refund it and get it for free. So a lot of people do that. So that's why I don't do a lot with Clickbank. But you can see I got some sales coming in, even though I don't do anything anymore. And the reason why is because these sales are repeat sales. They're on rotation. So people pay every single month for the actual product that I sold at one time. It was like a long time ago when I sold the product. And, refund rates can be like 20%. Usually for make money products, it's like 20%. 20% or somewhere around like 15%, and that's really too high. So that's one reason why I wouldn't bother with Clickbank if I was you, because people abuse that refund system because they know they can refund it really, really quick. So that's why I would suggest just advice from me to you. Don't try to sell Clickbank products because you're going to have a lot of refunds. So when you think you made some money, you're going to come back like they got 60 days to return the product. So it may be like on the 58th day they come back and just return everything that they bought, and of course it's going to come out of your account because they're going to debit your account. So I do make money with Clickbank. In other words, if I wanted to make money with Clickbank and let this thing be crazy, I could, but then the refund rate would be really high. It's just not worth it. It's not like I got another sale. Okay, so yeah, boom, money coming in with PayPal. Let me just light this up real quick. Mark it on red so you can see this better. You can see all these sales that come in with Clickbank. I'm not Clickbank, PayPal all the time. So you don't have to rely on Clickbank because again, most of the things that you can sell on Clickbank are going to be information only, and usually it's not like always the best. And then on top of that, they like I said, you got a high refund rate. So I would stick with things like PayPal, and I would stick with things like CPA marketing and big ticket because that's where your money is going to be. Okay, so that's just advice from me to you. But you can see I make money every single day with PayPal or with CPA or something. Money's coming in some way somehow. And if you want to learn how to do this, be able to have multiple campaigns, and you want to be able to just understand how to drive traffic, and because that's where all your money is in the traffic. If you don't have traffic, you don't have money. So if you want to learn how to do all these things, go ahead and click that link below. Get started. It's free to sign up. Go ahead and sign up, and I'll check you out in the next video. Just like subscribe to me so you can get my videos. All right. Talk to you later. It's Mike Internet Pro, 9 your online marketer. I'm out.